Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color. Name black color, purple color, pink color, red color, parrot color, green color, yellow color, sky color, orange color, brown color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, zod, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, वाव, हा, हमजा, या. Now kids, let's start to repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sod, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya.